Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the intriguing world of Dungeons & Dragons. So, grab your dice and get ready to explore the history, allure, and enduring popularity of this iconic game. Dungeons & Dragons, or D&D for short, was created by Gary Gygax and Dave Arneson in the early 70s. It revolutionized the world of tabletop gaming and ignited the imaginations of millions. But let's start with the origins of D&D, where Gygax and Arneson merged their love for wargaming and fantasy literature to create a game that emphasized storytelling and player agency. Released in 1974, the game's first edition transported players to mythical realms where they could assume the roles of mighty heroes embarking on daring quests and battling fearsome monsters. With each new edition, D&D continued to evolve, introducing innovative mechanics, detailed campaign settings, and intricate rulebooks. The game sparked a passionate following and inspired countless adventures around gaming tables worldwide. But to truly understand what draws people to the game, I was able to connect with the D&D enthusiasts who experienced the magic firsthand. So how long have you been playing Dungeons & Dragons?
Around 2 years now.
Okay, what do you like about the game so much?
I like the freedom it gives you to be able to choose where you want to go, what you want to explore, and it's just fun to be able to play with friends. It can be funny if you want it to be funny, or you can really explore like the characters you write, what they go through, and then how they like evolve from that. So there's a lot of ways you can look at the game, and it can be whatever you want it to be.
Nice. Do you see yourself playing it forever?
For sure.
Did you say you gained friends through the game? Like, I know you went away to school recently, and a lot of the friends that you have now you've been playing with for a long time.
Yeah. So I would say yes, because like I joined a group that plays it at school, and through that we already had that common interest of being interested in like Dungeons & Dragons or like fantasy or whatever. So that's already like a bridging point for meeting people, so you get them all in one place. So I probably met like 20 plus people playing, because we would play with this massive group. And it's also fun because you can put your personality out there while playing with what you want to do. Like I made a goofy character, so I bonded a lot with the other people that made goofy characters or wanted to be funny. And so and then we would hang out like outside the sessions as well and like study together or get food or something. So then those friendships kind of blossomed from that.
What's your favorite role to play in the game?
Role? I like playing a lot of the times. I end up playing like a almost like a leadership role, or maybe not leadership as much as like maybe like compass. I tend to make my characters, I like making them like have layers, I guess. They're like deep, where I know some of my friends play like one-dimensional like joke characters. So when we're doing something, we have to weigh out the options. I tend to influence those decisions a lot because I take notes and pay attention to like the other characters. So I'm more invested in the story, I guess, than just my character. So I end up making a lot of decisions for the party that go towards where the story is taking us and the plot, instead of just doing something that would just be silly to be silly. Awesome. Although sometimes we do just be silly to be silly. Like, there's a good balance always.
It's fun. It's a game.
Yeah, right.
So what exactly makes D&D so alluring? Let's dive deeper into the game's irresistible charms. In D&D, the only limit is your imagination. Players can create characters with diverse backstories and abilities, explore vast and intricate worlds, and overcome obstacles in unique, unexpected ways. The game empowers players to think creatively, fostering an environment where anything is possible. Alright, so imagine this. A group of adventurers sneaking through the shadows of a treacherous dungeon, the dice rolling in anticipation as they confront a menacing dragon, and the tension in the air as a player unravels a devious plot twist. These are the moments that D&D brings to life, leaving players with stories they'll retell for years to come. D&D is a game that thrives on collaboration, camaraderie, and gathering around the table with friends. It encourages teamwork, problem solving, and shared storytelling. So as I sit here having played the game a couple of times with my kids, we started a campaign this summer, and it's pretty interesting. But I can tell you this, if you haven't given it a chance before because you thought it was weird or whatever, try it out. It's kind of fun. But one of D&D's greatest strengths is its ability to keep players engaged and enthralled. With a multitude of source books, modules, and community-created content, the game offers a never-ending supply of adventures. From epic campaigns that span years to quick one-shot quests, D&D has something for everyone. Picture yourself traversing the sprawling city streets of Waterdeep, battling the undead horrors of Ravenloft, or exploring the mythical plains of the Forgotten Realms. The rich array of campaign settings in D&D caters to various tastes and preferences, ensuring that players can find the world that resonates with them. So from what I can tell, D&D has become more than just a game. It's a thriving community of people that come together at conventions, local game stores, and online platforms to share their love for the game. So as we wrap up our quick journey into the D&D world, it's pretty clear that the game has an appeal that transcends time. Its rich history, boundless imagination, and ability to forge lasting connections keep players coming back for more. Did you know that in recent years the popularity of D&D has reached new heights? Livestreamed D&D sessions garner millions of views, and more people than ever are picking up the dice and embarking on their own heroic journeys. So whether you're a seasoned player or someone who hasn't experienced the magic of D&D, there's never been a better time to check it out. But remember, in the world of D&D, the only limit is your imagination. So grab some homies, roll the dice, and let the adventure begin. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this one on the Allure of D&D. It's a little bit of a diversion from some of my other content, but it's interesting nonetheless. I'm going to be trying my damnedest to get videos up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you should try your damnedest to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you know when that shit happens. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.